Hi friends, 50-minute chat. xauusd for 30-minute chat. 1 hour chat. One-day chat. Bearish candle. Total balance 13622.85 USD dollar. Total balance. Buy 0.10 lot buy. Today earning $686. No commission. Big news. USD to big news. Market close Saturday 11 to 12 October. Sunday market close Monday open market. CNY medium big news. Not high big news. Today profit $646 profit, no loss, big amount profit. Please my channel, subscribe.